Good morning all of you. Good morning to each and everyone. Today we are discussing about matrix coding. So you can discuss the first our puzzle you can discuss, right? So today's puzzle is yes, what is the product of all the numbers in the dial of a telephone? Today's puzzle is this one, right? Let me know the answer. Today's puzzle is here, what is the product of all the numbers in the dial of a telephone? 4 options are there, which option you will be writing? Yes. What is the product of all the numbers? What is the product of all the numbers? All the numbers in the dial of a telephone, dial of a telephone. What is the product of all the numbers in the dial of a telephone? Yes. Option B and C are same. Yes, option B and C are same. Then option B you can write here 8. Yes, option B is 8 here. Option B. So product of dial of a telephone. Dial of a telephone means what numbers will be there? Means 0, 1 will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these numbers will be there in the dial of a telephone. In the all these numbers 0 is there. The product of 0 with everything is 0 only. So here there is no answer. So we can write none of these as the answer. None of these are correct. None of these are correct. Answer is not there. Answer is 0. But answer is not there. So we can go for none of these. Yes, my students. Now write our regular concept. Yes, coding. Our regular concept is matrix coding. Our regular concept is matrix coding, right? Now we can discuss about matrix coding. Yes, what is a matrix coding means? 2 matrices will be there. Generally matrix coding means this is the representation of matrix coding. Matrix 1 will be there, matrix 2 will be there, and so you will find first number 2 letter matrix. Number 2 letter matrix. Number 2 letter matrix. Number 2 letter matrix. First we can find matrices. Now see here number 2 letter matrix. Here this is matrix 1 and this is matrix 2. So these will be called columns, these will be called rows, and these will be called columns. So rows and columns, rows and columns. Generally row by column we will take, row by column we will take. Now see here what is given there here. Matrix 1 is given, matrix 2 is given. And in the matrix 1 0 to 4 numbers will be there, and in the matrix 2 5 to 9 numbers will be there. Now we are discussing about letter to number matrix. Number 2 letter matrix. Number 2 letter matrix. So number 2 letter matrix. We are discussing now. See what is given there here. Number 2 letter matrix. Number 2 letter matrix. So in matrix 1 0 1 2 4, 0 1 2 4 is given here. In the matrix 2 5 to 9 and 5 to 9 is given here. Rows by column we will discuss. Row by column. See once here in this example what is given there means, in the above matrices A is represented, this A letter is represented by 0 0 1 3. So A means here 0 0. So A means 0 0. A means 1 3 is written. A means 1 3. Where it is there you see? A means 0 0. A means 1 3. A means 1 3. Like that T is given. T is represented by 5 6. T is here represented by 5 6. T is represented by 5 6 and 6 8, 6 8, and another one is 8 9, 8 9. So T is represented by 5 6, 6 8, 8 9, and A is represented by 0 0 1 3. Now is asking how is tempt will be denoted by using the matrix 1 and matrix 2. Tempt, T-E-M-P-T. 4 options are given. So which answer you will get? Tempt. Yes, my students. Right now discuss what you will get the answer here. Tempt is given here. Yes. What you will get the answer here? Tempt. Number 2 letter matrix. We are discussing number 2 letter matrix. Number 2 letter matrix. Yes. Number 2 letter matrix. How tempt will be? How tempt will be denoted by these matrices? Yes. Yes, my students, right? Video is not clear, screen is not clear. Just matrix 1, matrix 2, tempt, T-E-M-P-T, tempt. How to code means rows by columns, rows by columns. A is represented 0, 0. So 0, 0, A is represented. Another A, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. So like that, here he represented T is given another example, 5, 6, 5, 6, T. And the next one, so T is there here, 6, 8, T. Another T is there, 8, 9, T. Yes. Like that is given some example. Now we can discuss what is tempt. Now we can do what is tempt will be denoted by using matrix 1 and matrix 2, right? Yes, my students, what is the answer here? So T can be denoted. So if you take T can be denoted, if you take T can be denoted. In how many ways T can be denoted once you see? So T can be denoted 0, 3. T can be denoted 0, 3. 0, 3, T can be denoted 0, 3. Next one, T can be denoted 10, 10, T can be denoted 10. Next one, T can be denoted in what ways? How many ways? 56, T can be denoted 56. Next one, T can be denoted 68, 68, T can be denoted. Next one, T can be denoted 78 also, 78. 78, T can be denoted. Next, T can be denoted 89, 89. These many ways T can be denoted. Now, how E can be denoted? E can be denoted. How E can be denoted? Once you see E, how E can be denoted? If you see E can be denoted 11, 1, 1, 1, 1. E can be denoted 1, 1. Next one, E can be denoted 1, 1. So what is the next one? How E can be denoted? 1, 1, only one. Next one, 4, 3. Next one, E can be denoted. E can be denoted. How many ways? E can be denoted. See once here how E can be denoted. 5, 9. E can be denoted 5, 9. Next one, 7, 5. 5, 9, 7, 5, E can be denoted. Still what ways? 5, 9, 7, 5, still 9, 7, 9, 7. So these many ways E can be denoted. These many ways E can be denoted. Now go for M. So in how many ways M can be denoted? In how many ways M can be denoted? If you take, by that you will get one group. In this one group you will get. Yes, yes, my students. Now how you will get? So if you write M can be denoted, M can be denoted 21. M can be 21. Next one, M can be 21. Next one, M can be 31. M can be 31. Next one, M can be 32. M can be 32. Still M can be 32 still. If you take M, here 58, M can be 58. Next one still 69, M can be 69. Next one, if you go like that, so M can be 79, 79. Next one M, that's all. So if you take another one here P, so how you will code P? How you will code P? Like that, if you take every letter here in this tempt, every letter, one group you will get, mixed group, right? What is the answer now? Yes, my students, answer. What is the answer? By coding all the letters in the tempt, so mixed group you will get, one combined answer you will get. So 10 will be 10, yes, 10 we can take ST, 10 we can take ST, 10 is there in the T, yes, 10 is there, T can be denoted 10, right? Next one, 10, next one, 75, about E, 75, about E, 75 is there here, yes, M, if you take 32, M 32, so M is 32 is there here, 96 is P, 96 is P, so write next one, T 78, T is 78, yes. So third one is representing by mixing all these. So tempt will be coded as 10, 75, 32, 96, 78, option number 3, okay. One more example I'll give, yes, one more example, go through it. Next one, letter to number, previously we did number to letter, now letter to number matrix, now see what is given there here, yes, take matrix 1 and matrix 2, determine the letter group in given alternatives which correctly denotes 742835, 742835. So which option will give this answer? 7 can be written in how many ways? 7 can be written in how many ways? 4 can be written in how many ways? 2 can be written in how many ways? 8 can be written how many ways? 3 can be written how many ways? 5 how many ways? Mix of all those will be there in these options. Yes, let me know what answer you will get here. What answer you will get? Use row by column, rows and columns. Seven can be written in how many ways? If you take 7 can be written in how many ways? 7. We can write 7. If you take 7 is here, FH we can write. 7 means FH. 7 means FH. You can write. Still 7 can be written. Still how many ways we can written? 7. 7 FH. Next one GG also we can write. GG also we can write. 7 GG also we can write. Still 7 can be written here. HH also we can write it. We can write HH. Next one 7 can be written. Next one if you take here, so I. Next one 7. JI also we can write. JI also. So these many ways 7 can be represented by using rows and columns in matrix 1 and matrix 2. Yes, FH, GG, HH, I, JI. These many ways 7 can be represented. Now 4 in how many ways we can write? 4 in how many ways you can write? 4 if we take here is there here, AD, 4 AD. A is here and D is here, 4 is there, AD. So next one, next 4 is there here, BE. Next 4 is there, BE. Next 4 is here, CC. Next 4 is here, DD. Yes. Here there is no 4 at all, right? Yes. In these ways, AD, BE, CC, DD, we can represent 4. In how many ways 2 can be represented? How many ways 2 can be represented? Yes, now see, 2 can be represented. Here 2 is there here, AB. Next one, here 2 is there, BD. Yes, still here 2 is there, 2A, CA. So next one, here 2 is there, DE. So these 4 ways we can represent 2. So like that, if you find how you will represent 8, represent 3, represent 5. All you write and which option you will get as correct answer. 742835. 742835. 742835. So 8 can be represented in how many ways? 8 can be represented in how many ways? So how you will represent 8? So 8 can be represented as 8 is there in that. 8 means here 8 is there. So FG. FG. Next one 8. So is there here 8. So GI. Next one here there 8. So HG. So next one here is there IH. Next one here JH. So how 3 will be represented? 3 is there here, 3 AC. Next one 3 is here BB. And next one 3 is here CD. Next one 3 is here DA. Now see if you represent, take 5. So how 5 will be there? AE. 5 is there here AE. So 5 is there here BA. So 5 is there here CB. So here 5 is there DC. Now what is the mixed combination here? If you take here, what is the mixed combination? If you take the first option, JI is there here JI. BE is there here BE. CA is there here CA. HG is there here HG. DA is there here DA. AF, AE, yes. The first one is the answer. 742835 can be represented by the first option. Here this is the first option we can represent. So these many ways we can represent 7, these many ways we can represent 4, these many ways we can represent 2, and like that 8, 3, 5 and so on. So combination of all those is there in the first option. So answer is first option. So we will say this one as matrix coding. Number to letter, letter to number. Number to letter, letter to number, right? Now see, one more example we can do, one more example we can do, right? Do you understand all of you? Yes, yes, one more example we can do, right? Now see what is the next example. Next example, symbolic matrix. Next example is symbolic matrix. Okay, means symbols will be there, numbers will be there. See this one. Next one is symbolic matrix. So matrix 1, matrix 2 is there. Numbers and symbols will be given. We can say symbolic matrix. We can say this one as symbolic. Letter to number matrix, number to letter matrix. Symbolic matrix means symbols will be there. Numbers 0 to 4 and here 0 to 4. There 5 to 9 and 5 to 9. In between symbols will be there. So symbolic matrix. Now he is given that. Now he is given that. 4 options are there. Determine the correct number group from the given alternative which denotes the symbol group. Which denotes the symbol group. Okay. Which denotes the symbol group. The question is here symbol group. The question is here. Question is star. The question is here star. The question is star, rupee, star, rupee, at the rate, this symbol and this one. You need to find for star, rupee and at the rate, this symbol and this one. For this you need to find which one is the correct option. This is the question. This one is the question, which numbers, which option is giving correct option for these symbols. Yes. Row by column, how you will represent star? how you will represent star? If you take the first one, star will be represented. Star will be represented in how many manners? Star, we can write star in how many ways? Star, if you take here, star is there, 1 0. Star can be represented as 1 0. Okay. So 0 4 also there here, 0 4, 0 4, 1 0. Next one star is there here, 2 2. Next one star is here, 3 1. Next one star is here, 4 3. Yes. Now next one you see. So next one is rupee symbol is there here. So how you will represent rupee? Yes, rupee symbol is there if you take. So rupee symbol is here, 5 7. 5 7. Next one is there here, 6 7. Next one is there here, 7 6. Next one is there here, 8 5. So next one is there here, 9 8. So in these many ways we can represent the next symbol. Now you take at the rate. Now we take at the rate. In how many ways you can represent? At the rate here. If you take at the rate is here. So 0 3. Next one 1 2. Next one 2 1. Next one is there here. So 3 3. Next one 4 0. So these many ways you can represent at the rate. Take the next symbol. So this one is the next symbol. How many ways you can represent next symbol? Find out and all mix in which option you will get, that is the correct answer. Yes my students, now how you will represent? How you will represent the symbol? Okay, the question I am giving here, how you will represent? Here, how you will represent star? So how you will represent the question I am writing here? The question is here, star and another symbol and one more symbol and one more symbol and one more symbol. How you will represent this one? By using this matrix. So star can be written in how many ways? You see, star can be written in how many ways? Star can be written, here star is there. So 0 4 we can write, star means 0 4, 1 0 we can write, star is there here, 2 2 we can write, star is there, 3 1 we can write, 4 3 we can write. So star can be written in these ways. Now see once here, next symbol is this rupee symbol. How many ways you can write rupee symbol? See, where is the rupee symbol? There it is there here, 5 7, 5 7. Next one 6 7. Next one 7 7 6. Next one here 8 5. The next one is there here 8 8. No, 9 8. So in these many ways you can represent the second symbol. Now take the third symbol. How many ways you can represent third symbol? So third symbol can be represent at the rate. If you take at the rate, if you take at the rate, so how many ways you can represent at the rate? So here at the rate is there 0 3. Next one at the rate is 1 2. Next one at the rate 2 1. At the rate 3 3. Next one at the rate 4 0. In these many ways you can represent at the rate. Now see the next symbol, this one. So how many ways you can represent? Go for that paragraph, go for that matrix. Here it is there. Yes, 5 8. 5 8. If you go like that, how many ways you can represent? 5 8, 6 9, 5 8, 6 9. Next one 6 9. Next one 7 5. Next one 8 6, 8 6. Next one, the symbol is here 9 9. The last one is this one. How many ways you can represent? So here it is there 0 0, 0 0. Next one 1 1. Next one is here 2 3. Next one is here 3 2. Next one is here 4 4. Now which option will give the correct answer here? Verify the options by using the symbols. What you got the codes there? Yes. If you take option number B, 22 is there. 22 is there here. Next 67 is there here. Next 40. Next 40 is there here. Next 75 is there here. Next 11 is there here. Yes. So option number B is giving the answer for the symbolic, these symbols code. Option number 2. Many of you written, I think. Yes, my students, right? Yes. What is the? Yes, very good. Yes, yes, my students, right? It's clear and yes, many have written option number 2. Yes, my students, right? Very good, very good. Yes, right. One more example we can do. So number 2 letter matrix, letter 2 number matrix, symbolic matrix. Next one we can do. Next one we can do another matrix. Next one we can do another one, that is jumbled matrix. That one is jumbled matrix. We can do next one. Yes, jumbled matrix. Yes, in this first column, first matrix 0 to 4 numbers will be there and letters will be there. In the matrix 2, numbers 5 to 9 will be there. Now see this one. Yes, jumbled matrix. So jumbled matrix means 0 to 4 matrix 1 and A to E matrix 2, and here numbers are there, their symbols and numbers are there, here letters and symbols are there, their symbols and letters are there. Jumbled matrix. Right now what you will get for this one answer? 9 symbol star M. So which option will be the correct answer for this? For this one, which option will give correct answer, right? Here check your options. How many ways the first 9 can be written? How many ways the second symbol can be written? How many ways the third symbol can be written? How many ways the star can be written? How many ways the M can be written? All mix option will be there here. Now you will get which option is the correct one. Yes. How M can be represented? How M can be represented? If you take 9 first, if you take 9 here, 9 can be represented in how many ways? So here 9 is there here, 9, 0, 2. Next one 9 is here, 1, 1. Next one 9 is here, 2, 4. Next one 9 is here, 3, 3. Next one 9 is here, 4, 0. Row and column you need to take. Yes, this one is 9. The next one is this symbol. The next one is this symbol. So where you are getting that symbol once you see? So that symbol is there in that matrix too. So here it is there, AD. AD. Next one, BE. Next one, CA. Next one, DC. Next one, EB. Yes. Now I think by the second one you will get the answer, I think, right? After doing the second one only you will get the answer. If you want you can write third one also, right? So what you will get third one, you see. Third one is this symbol. Yes. In how many ways you can write? Yes, third one in how many ways you can write? The first one is 0, 3. Yes. The first one is 0, 3. Second one 1, 4. Third one 2, 0. Fourth one 2, 3, 2. Fifth one 4, 1. See, if you take the option C, what you are getting, you see 11 is there here, DC is there here, 20 is there. So if you verify, option C is correct. We will say jumbling matrix, jumbled matrix. So letter 2 number matrix, number 2 letter matrix, symbolic matrix and jumbled matrix, right? So now we can go for the regular models. Yes, now one more example we can do, right? One more example. Right. Yes, let me know what is root you will get. So what answer you will get? Which option is the correct answer for root? Yes, matrix 1, matrix 2 is given. Numbers and letters are given. So what answer will get? Road. Now you need to tell. What answer will get? Road. Yes, my students, right? What answer will get as road? Road. Or can be written in how many ways? Or means we can go to that place or. So the first one is 59. So answer starts from 59. Answer starts from 59. Second one, U. So U is there. U can be written as 56, 65, 78 and 87. So yes, what answer you will be getting? Road. So how you will represent road? R can be written. R can be written in how many ways? R. So R is there. R can be written in how many ways? 59. First one. Second one. R 68. So third one. R 77. Next one. R 86. Next one, U can be written. U in how many ways? See where U is there. So U can be written in how many ways? U 56. 56. Next one U 65. Next one U 78. Next one U 87. So next one D can be written in how many ways? D. Where is D? D is here. So 0 1. Next one D can be written 1 0. Next one D is there here 2 3. Next one D is there here 3 4. Next one E can be written. E can be written. How many ways E can be written? E, once you see E is there here 0 2 0 2. Next one E is there 1 1. Next one E 2 0. Next one E 3 3. Everything you will get. What option you will get as correct answer? What is the mixed one here? Yes, 77, 56, 0 2. If you take first option, 56 is not there, 56 is there. Second option 65, no. Yes, what about second option? 59 is there. Next 99 is not there. 34, 11, yes. If you take fourth option, what option you are getting? Yes, in this options answer is there. No option, yes, very good, right. So one more option, none of these is there. Right, very good, right. Yes, one more example you can write, one more example, right. So what is the one more example you see? So what answer you will get? True. What answer you will get for true? R 77, very good. R 77. 56, yes, U 56, right, very good. 02 is D, 02 is D is there, 02, yes, 02 D, 02 is not there, 02 D means yes. Next one E means 01, 01, yes, D means 01, yes. 02 means D, 02 you are getting, yes, 02 D. Zero two means you will get E, 02, right, 02 E, yes, not in a proper manner, they are in a jumbling order. Option number C is correct only, right, gentlemen? Option number C is correct only. but options are not in a proper manner. Rude is given as R-U-E-D. Yes, option number C. So answer is in a jumbled manner, right? Go for the next one. Next question, right? Once you see. Next question, what is given there? True is given. Yes. True. How you will get true, right? Option is there, option C only, right? Option C is 100% correct, right? Yes, my students, right? Yes. One more question. True is given. So how you will represent true? T can be written. T can be written in how many ways? T can be written in how many ways? You see, T can be written. So T can be written. So 0 3, 1 2, 2 4 and 3 0. Right. Next one, R. R can be written in how many ways? R is 5 9, 6 8, 7 7, 8 6. Next one, U can be written in how many ways? You see, U can be written in how many ways? 5 6, 6 5, 7 8, 8 7. So E can be written in how many ways? E can be written 0 2, 1 1, 2 0 and 3 3. So what answer is there? You see once here, 5 87 20, 30 95 87 20. 30 is there here? Yes. 95 95. Where you got 95? 30 95. Somebody written 30 95 87 20. Thirty 95 or cannot be written 95. Where it is there? 95 59 95. No, right? 59 or can be written. Yes. So what is option 1? You see, option 1 24 is there here, 77 is there, 56 is there, 03 is there. 03 is not 02, 03, right? Yes. Yes, my students, right? What option you are getting here? So keep your answer. Thank you all of you.